Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera, and in today's video, we'll discuss the solution to the SFTP channel closed by server error. When you open SSH here in Bitwise and then open SFTP here, you'll see an error like this. SFTP channel closed by server. That means you can't see your files, such as those on your VTS. Your terminal will open, but your SFTP won't open. The SFTP window won't open. You'll see an error like this below. So, how do you solve this? So, what should you do? First, open the terminal. After opening the terminal, type the nano command. Nano is a text editor. So, you'll need to open this file in the terminal. You can either use nano or vi. I'm using nano. I copy this command and then press enter. Alt. After pressing this, I have to find this line in this one. I have to find SFTP. Okay, so what do you have to do here? Press Ctrl W, then type SFTP, and then press enter. So I have to remove myself from this line. I have to remove the server here. I have to remove the server name. Earlier it was this new name. After that, you have to leave it like this. That means OK. Earlier it was this. After that, you have to do this. OK. Now I have to save this file. So press Ctrl X, type Y, and then press enter. OK, so the file has been saved. Now I will restart it here. You have to restart SSH. Alt. You have to close the terminal. And here, you have to click Logout. OK, you have to click on Login again here. I will accept this connection. I will enter the password. Click OK. Then let us open our SFTP. When I click on SFTP, see, my SFTP is opened here. I will close it and open it again. So now my SFTP is also opening, and along with it, the terminal is also opening. So this way, you can solve the SFTP issue. This is the line you will find in this file. You have to change it and then restart SSH. And after logging out, your SFTP will start working.